Hi guys, welcome to SlabWare. My name is Antonio. So for this video, we will be talking about how to import inventory bundles. So let's go to the tutorial.
Today we're going to talk about import bundles. In the inventory section, click on Import Bundles. Here you'll find a complete step-by-step guide on how to import your bundles correctly. It's a quick and easy process, and I'll walk you through it now, so keep watching. Below, you'll see two options. Under Download Excel, you can download a filled template as an example of how to complete the spreadsheet. Here you can see some essential fields already completed, so you can understand how the import should be structured. Now I'll download the template. This is the file we'll fill out with our bundle information and upload to the system. Columns in red are required for the system to read the file. Columns in blue are optional. You can fill them in if you want, but it's not mandatory. Before we begin, I'll increase the font size to make it easier for you to see. Adjusting the font won't affect the upload at all. Start by entering the supplier. All the information I'm using here is fictional and only for demonstration purposes. Next, enter the material name you want to register. Then the thickness. In this example, I'll enter 3 centimeters. After that, the quality, in my case, I'll set it as premium. If you type different block bundle number and supplier for the same material, the system will split them into separate bundles. If you type the same material with the same block, bundle, and supplier, the system will keep it all together in one bundle. Block, bundle, and supplier will define if the slabs belong to the same bundle or not. Next is the finish field. I'll set mine to polished. You'll notice that we have 3 different fields for the bundles: unit price, price per square foot, price per square meter. You only need to fill out one of them depending on how your system is configured. My system uses square feet, so I'll complete the price square feet column. Next is location. This is where the material is stored. Both of my bundles are located in Warehouse A, row 3. In the notes field, you can enter any extra information about the material. These notes will appear on your website as a description for your customers. If you want to resize a row or column or adjust the font size in the spreadsheet, it won't affect the import. The only thing you cannot change is the order of the columns. Here we have 3 more red columns that are essential for uploading the file correctly: the slab number, the length, and the height. This part refers to the prefix along with the numbering of your slabs. When you register slabs directly in the system, you'll see the prefix and next to it the initial slab number, as well as the total number of slabs inside that bundle. So the slab number will be this prefix combined with the initial slab and the total number of slabs. The length and height fields are mandatory. You must fill in the column according to your system's units, meters or feet, one or the other, even though only the square feet column is marked in red. After the measurements, we have the consigned number and cost, and also the bill number and cost. For consigned, you can enter the same number for all slabs in the bundle, or you can assign different numbers to each slab. The same logic applies to the cost. You can use one value for all slabs, or assign a different cost to each one. If you already follow a pattern in your system, you can continue using it here. With the bill fields, you should use the same bill number for all slabs in a bundle if they were purchased together. If they weren't, then you can enter the bill number and cost separately for each slab. But if you prefer not to register consigned or bill information inside the material, you can simply leave those fields blank. Next, you'll see 3 columns: QB expense, revenue, and inventory. These fields are related to QuickBooks. If you're a fabricator and use QuickBooks in your workflow, you can fill out these fields as needed. Then, we have the material information fields, such as classification, composition, and color. For classification, I'll enter commercial. The composition for absolute black is granite. And in the color field, I'll add the 3 color variations this material has. You can enter one or multiple colors depending on what applies to you. And lastly, we have batch, brand, and partial slab. If you use batch and brand in your materials, you can fill them in here in the spreadsheet. And for partial slab, enter yes or no, depending on whether the material has remnants or not. In my case, my materials don't have remnants, so I'll enter no. I'm going to finish filling out the spreadsheet with a few more materials, and then I'll come back to show you the results. All done. Everything is filled in. I added 2 more bundles to my list, bundles 13 and 14, each one containing 10 slabs. Earlier I mentioned that the slab number should be the prefix combined with the initial slab number and the total number of slabs. So in this case, I would number the slabs of these 2 absolute black bundles from AB01 to AB10. The first bundle would include AB01 to AB05, and the second bundle AB06 to AB10. But there's no strict rule here. Number your slabs in whatever way works best for you. I also filled in the remaining notes for the other absolute black slabs, which I had forgotten to complete earlier. After everything is filled out, save your Excel file. You can name it however you prefer. In my case, I'll name it My Inventory Materials. Now, just go back to the Import Bundles page, click Import Excel, select the file you saved, and then click the orange Import button. If any cells in your spreadsheet show up in red, it means that the material, supplier, location, or any material information you entered hasn't been added to your system yet. To fix this, simply click on the red field and a drop-down menu will appear. Select Add New and then click the green check icon to confirm. Then click Yes. As you save each red field inside the system, those fields will turn white. And once everything is resolved, you'll be able to import without any errors. Or if your spreadsheet didn't have any red fields, just click the orange Import button at the top. After the import is completed, a green confirmation message will appear showing how many bundles and slabs were successfully added to the system. If you go to Inventory and open List of Slabs, you can confirm whether the bundles and slabs were imported correctly. Here at the bottom, you can see the absolute black bundle I created with 5 slabs, and below it the second bundle of the same material. Besides the absolute black material, you can also see the other 2 that were registered in the spreadsheet. The blue Bahia and blue Roma bundles, each with 10 slabs. By clicking on Absolute Black, we can review the remaining information and add more details if needed. For example, here I'll add an old price to this bundle. Further down, we have the note field, the one we added earlier for the website. And right above the note, I'll add the country of origin, which in this case is Italy. I'll save these details and upload a few photos as well. Click Choose Photos, select the images from your computer, and then click Open. Once the images finish uploading, just click Save so you don't lose your changes. Under List of Slabs, by clicking Edit All, you can select all slabs and edit their information at once. After making your changes, click Update All to save everything. If you need to add or remove photos, change the slab locations, or perform other actions, you can use the black Actions button on the right-hand side. To add a photo, just select the slabs, then choose the images and click Open. The photos are uploaded automatically and you can view them by clicking the photo icon. After that, just click Save at the top. And that's it for today. I'll see you all in the next tutorial, folks.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start a free trial right now.